Now all restaurants are Taco Bell.
No way.
Welcome to Taco Bell.
Okay, yeah, one of these. Get the next one behind the red truck. Yes. Yes. We are out here at the world's first. Oh, this lady can help us. The world's first Taco Bell Defy. Here, scan that on there like you know what we're doing. We're not noobs. We are at something called Taco Bell Defy. There's only one. Steph's not close enough. You gotta put it like right on the screen, I think. Damn. Oh, it says scan? Is it something with the phone?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, they have a little glitch.
I got it.
Oh, perf. Now we just sit and wait.
You got good taste. Come forward to pick up your order.
Our goal today, I need to explain what this is. We're at an express Taco Bell. Hey, I have a question.
Okay.
Do you think they'll let me put my camera on the tube and send it up there? Just to yeah? Excellent. Thank you so much.
I'll be back.
They're going to let me do it. Put yours on there too. You have a little tripod on yours.
I'll let you do that part, but I'm gonna definitely film the whole experience.
Okay. Okay. So that was cool. That lady's cool. She said, I'll do that with you. I'm going to have to unplug my mic, but what we're going to do is put the camera in the tube after we get our one coffee, and we're going to go see what's up there because me and Steph have a suspicion that it's robots. So this is supposed to streamline the drive-through industry. This idea came up from COVID. A lot of ideas came from COVID. But yeah, basically what you do is you order on the Taco Bell app, you pull in, scan your deal, it's already half done, you just wait up there, and it comes down on a tube, like a bank. And everything's upstairs, and it's all down low. It's like a toll booth. We're at a taco toll booth right now. A lot of people say that it is, there's some bugs. A lot of the reviews on Google say that there are some bugs that need to be worked out, but maybe they will get worked out.
So this is the first and only. Is that
The only one in the world right now.
that's amazing?
Me and Steph sat in the parking lot over there and just watched the process for a while. Nobody really knows what they're doing. If you come to one of these Taco Bell Defies, which there's only one, do not go into the left lane. That is just a normal drive-through. That is just a normal drive-through. And you'll have a normal experience. And then you'll see all these millennials flying by you, getting their iced coffees from a tube. I wonder how big of an order you can get, too. That's something we should test.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm going to look like... Oh,
Oh.
okay. Well, that's not streamlined. Oh, no.
Maybe that's just that lane.
We just saw a glitch.
A glitch.
Her futuristic experience was ruined.
It took a real live person.
Oh, man. Everything's a glitch. She said, okay, I'll do that with you.
That was awesome.
Good attitude.
I think she's gonna come over to us when we get
Okay.
there, and she's gonna be like, "So can I help you with that?"
Oh, look, the tube is half down. It's already broken. Spin me. Okay, where's my lady friend?
Love it. No one.
That lady better remember me. I'm really trying to be the first person to send a camera up the tube.
Yeah. No riders allowed.
I know, I saw that too. 10 capacity. Isn't there a button for help or something? Oh, you whacked my camera.
I feel it's necessary to take this off.
Hey, you guys want the phone?
Yeah.
Oh,
No, let me put this in there.
thing. Can you send his thing up? 360 camera.
Yeah, can we just set that in there?
Things we're doing.
I gotta see what's up there.
See what's up there? A giant dome.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Will you send the lift down, Sylvia? I'm putting the 360 camera in there.
Oh, okay.
Send it back up and down.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
She's like,
List 3 is giving me some issues.
How's it been? It's only been open a few days for you, right?
Thursday.
What's it been like?
It grows every single day.
Yeah.
Gets a little bit busier
People are
every
coming to
single
check it
day.
out?
Yeah. It's fun.
Yeah.
People love it. You know what I mean? Like they love the experience. Some people love not talking to anybody, not whatever. Because when it truly works, if you order your order not on property, when you get here, it literally is ready, and it's like 30 seconds. You drive in, you scan, you come. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think she just
Is it just
reset
because it's like really busy right now because of the height?
Yeah. Yep. And then we've had some like order sequencing issues are happening, and so unfortunately, their order might be here before your order type
I
thing.
see.
So, but it's all okay.
We
It's
gotta
all
work out those bugs.
absolutely.
Hey, my stall reset, so I had to reset it.
That's
It's
what I
coming
thought.
out now.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Sylvia. Okay,
You're welcome.
And then I'm gonna lay this on there, and you can have it back.
Okay.
There you go. So
That's so cool.
So you see how when I can't point and talk. Okay, you can have it back, Sylvia. Sylvia. It's So there's a light curtain right here. See how that stopped?
Oh.
Because I broke the light curtain. See that? So like. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Beautiful.
Thank you
There
so
you go.
much.
Oh,
Do you want to grab that? Or you want me to?
Oh. Maybe I do need your help. Thank you
I want
so
to put that-
much.
You're welcome.
Is one last question. Kitchen pretty cool then. It looks like you can see out, but you can't see in like some big windows.
Yeah.
I feel like it's probably a cool kitchen up there.
It's a pretty traditional Taco Bell kitchen,
Is
only
it?
it's it has twice the equipment as everything. So when you go into a regular store and you see one line, we have
Okay.
2 lines up there.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, it's pretty traditional.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're
Bye
welcome. Have a
bye.
great night, you guys.
You too. Got my coffee.
Your second coffee.
My second coffee for the day. All right.
Oh my god, that was so
Gotta get out of
sick.
this line.
Hi, is this for Casey?
Nope. I'm out of here. Bye.
Oh, okay.
That was sick. They were so nice. I can't wait to see what's up the tube and how it
Yeah.
works. Guaranteed no video has done that yet on the tube.
Oh, yeah.
And the coffee is what? It came down the tube just fine. Wow.
Yeah. The coffee.
And does it taste like it was made by a robot? Answer that.
Ask Tony if he's got some creamer. I really
Creamer?
wish I would have put. Yeah, I needed something.
Oh, robot. Robot elevator. More cream, please.
Yeah, I can't wait to see what's up there too. I hope the girl picked it up.
Yeah, hello. All right, that was the Taco Bell. That was Taco Bell Defy. Not much faster though. That was not faster. It might have been easier. We didn't have to talk to anybody, but we did talk to a lovely lady. We forgot to get her name. Not faster by any means. But I guess if you're on your way and you got the app already, you're like, I need my Taco Bell.
After the bugs are
Order
ironed
her.
out.
This might be the fastest
Yeah.
Taco Bell experience
if I
ever.
was there, order it from home, drive over.
Yeah, do you not want to say bye?
Never.
Not ready to say bye? Watch Steph's video. Subscribe. Eat at Taco Bell. I guess. Get their coffees. Get the coffees. It's okay to get the coffees there.
I wanted the Cinnabon coffee, but I don't know. We're ironing out.
Only in the
bug
future
as well.
do you get the Cinnabon coffee in the tube. They only have regular coffees in the tube so far. They're gonna work out the bugs.